Hi. In the video, you will overview fuse diagrams, discover fuse box locations inside your car, and learn any fuse and relay assignments. Location of fuse boxes. Fuse diagrams and their assignments may vary depending on the year of manufacturer, country, and vehicle equipment. Passenger compartment. Fuse box. Location. Engine compartment fuses and relays boxes. Main box.